This designer dress costs $5,000, but I'm going to make it for a fraction of the price. Will it work? Hello guys, it's Chen Chen. Today we are making a Chanel inspired outfit. Before we check the inspo picture, please allow me to show you my new iPad case.
Dun, 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 dun. Oh my god. Tell me how cute this is.
So cute, the little seafood.
So this one is from Chanel Cruise 2016-17 show in Cuba.
So it's already 8 years ago. The price on Poshmark was $5,000, now dropped to $3,450.
But I have been obsessed with this poster right here, okay? I have this poster in my mind years over years, all the way since 2016, okay? That's how much I love this poster. I love this outfit, this aesthetic. It's just
so memorable. Yeah, anyway, so today is dream come true for me because I actually find not exactly the same but similar enough fabric to this one. Let's check my fabric. So here's my fabric. I just washed it and I don't have a dryer, so I'm hanging it here to let it air dry. We got this colorful one and we got this one, white cream color one, go through too. Yeah, it's really beautiful. Here's the details. Okay, here's the story of how I got this fabric.
I was shopping for some interfacing that day and I passed by this fabric shop. There was a cart loaded by sample fabric in front of the shop.
And you ask, what is sample fabric?
The store puts sample fabric out for customers to browse. And if you want to buy it, they'll go back to their stock room or warehouse to cut it for you. But when they run out the stock, they'll sell the sample fabric at a really cheap price. Usually $2 or $3 because sample fabric ain't too big. It's like 2 or 3 meters usually.
So I saw this cart loaded with sample fabric, so I went over there to check it out. I saw a corner of this fabric sticking out, so I pulled it out and I was like,
wait a minute, maybe this is the fabric for the Chanel inspo.
So I asked the shop owner how much it was, and the owner goes,
I'll give you a really good price.
And I'm like, yeah, what is the really good price? And she goes, well,
I usually sell it for $17 per meter.
Okay, $17 is a big difference from $3, okay, which is regular price for the sample fabric.
So I'm like, that's a little expensive. So I put down the fabric and was about to walk away. 2 steps away from the shop, I hear the owner goes, how much do you think?
Side note, this is a typical bargain process in China.
I remember my mother used to do this when I was a little. She don't like the price and she would pretend to walk away. And then the seller would stop her by offering her a cheaper price.
Was I mentally prepared for this negotiation process?
No. I was on my way to buy some interfacing, remember?
So I said $7.
By the way, I feel like that was too much as soon as I said that. Then she goes, $11. $11, $3. Again, I walked away.
Then I hear her shout from inside of that store. And she goes,
fine, take it.
Exhausted. Guys, exhausted. I need to be mentally prepared for this kind of thing. Cause it's not my thing.
And tell me why I have this feeling that she would say yes if my order was $5.
Okay, while this fabric is drying over here, I'm gonna make a mock-up first. So it's basically just a pencil skirt, but in order to look good, it must fit good. That's why we must make a mock-up first. I'm thinking this could probably do it. Yeah, that's a pencil skirt and looks alright to me, so yeah. Also I got this fabric. Oh, right here. I got this fabric. It's actually bedsheet fabric because it's cheap. So I'm gonna use it to, you know, make the mock-up. It's a simplicity. This pattern is so old. I got it from Etsy. Yeah, you see, back then it's not even $2. So this is what the pattern looks like inside, and yeah, this is the instruction and this is the pattern. And yeah, I have made this skirt before, and because I treat these super delicate, so I actually copied it on a piece of white paper, and this is my copy. But I made this skirt about 2 years ago. I should probably make it again anyway because my measurement could be different now. Let's do that. What do we think?
You don't have permission to lick my leg, okay? I need not shave. I feel a little bit tight up here, but I just had a very big dinner, so that's probably why.
Tell me I'm not the only one who wants to go to bed every time I had a big dinner. God, I feel so lazy. But anyway, front, back. I think it's pretty good. You guys want to know how I step on this chair? Here it goes.
These chairs are crazy. I started with fusible interfacing on the back of the fabric, so this tweed won't fall apart into yarn. You know, I haven't learned crochet yet, but I truly admire people who have the skill for crochet. My aunt used to crochet sweaters for me. I remember you well. That was a very itchy winter. Inside the skirt, I used a bias-bound seam finish, also called the Hong Kong finish. How interesting, I didn't know that before. I pull out the thread from the bottom of the skirt to create a fringe. For this part, I did not put interfacing on the back. Then I wanted to make a matching top to go with it. Again, my favorite pattern. I use this pattern as base for many designs. Money well spent. Remember the thread I pulled out earlier from the bottom of the skirt? I braided them into 3 strands. Now they are shoulder straps, looking so cute. I am in love with this fabric. Also, does anyone like my new coaster? It's made from leftover fabric. I'm like so proud of it. I don't know what to say about my hair though. It's the same hand doing my hair and sewing my clothes, but my hair always ends up not so pleasing. Finally, here's the review.
That is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Comment down below, let me know. On a scale from 1 to 10, how would you rate this outfit? I hope you have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!